Start with this fluffy egg ball, add a rich sweet potato miso soup, and complete the table with edamame and tomato salad. The perfect way to treat yourself on a weekend morning. 90 grams of rice. Rinse the rice and drain. Add 120 grams of water to the rinsed rice. Add a half tablespoon of sake for tastier rice. It's optional. Mix well, then cook the rice. $90 grams of potato. Cut into bite-sized pieces. Simmer for about 10 minutes until soft. Mash in your preferred way. Let it cool for a while. Once cool, transfer to a bowl. 15 grams of shelled edamame beans. 1 teaspoon of shio kombu, salted kelp, a pinch of salt and sugar if unavailable. 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise. Kewpie brand is recommended. A pinch of black pepper. A pinch of sugar. Mix well, taste it halfway and add salt to your liking. Two shisa leaves or your preferred herb such as basil. Chop finely. 1 tomato. Score the tomato and boil it for about 20 seconds. Peel the tomato. Cut into bite-sized pieces. One teaspoon of soy sauce. 1 teaspoon of rice vinegar. 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Half teaspoon of sugar. Half teaspoon of white sesame seeds. Add the chopped shiso or herbs. Mix well. $80 grams of sweet potato. Cut into bite-sized pieces. $30 grams of onion. Cut into bite-sized pieces. Put the cut sweet potato in the pot. Add the cut onion. 200 ml of water. Medium heat. Cook until the sweet potato is soft. Turn off the heat. 1 tablespoon of miso. Mix well. If not dashi infused miso, add a pinch of dashi powder. Half teaspoon of butter. Stir lightly. Make the sauce. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of mirin. 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of ketchup, a pinch of dust powder. Mix well. Put the prepared sauce into a fry pan. Medium heat. Reduce it until slightly thickened. The sauce for the fluffy egg ball is done. 2 eggs. A pinch of salt. Beat the eggs well. Half teaspoon of vegetable oil. Heat the pan well. Pour in the beaten egg. Make a fluffy, soft scrambled egg. $200 grams of cooked rice. Place the soft scrambled egg on top of the rice. Pour the pre-made sauce over it. Fluffy egg ball. Garnish with basil if desired. Sweet potato miso soup. Tomato Japanese style salad and edamame potato salad. 素敵な一日を!